Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to buy cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. First, open the DeFi Wallet app on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap on Buy to start the purchasing process. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or BTC. Now choose the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. You can either enter a specific amount or select from the available options. Once you've selected the amount, tap on Next. You will then see a confirmation on the screen. Then click on the box to agree to the terms and then tap on Got it. Now enter your email address and tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Open your email app and check the notification center to find the code. Now enter the code into the app to verify your email. Finally, review the order confirmation details carefully. If everything looks correct, tap on Pay Now to complete your cryptocurrency purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.